Hello there. This is Jerry Chen, founder and CEO of Thrust IQ, a AI and business automation company. And today I'm going to show you a custom AI bot that we have built based on 14,000 ranking factors that were leaked earlier this year in May of 2014 by some Google insiders, as well as some 4,500 Google business profiles my other agency, ECS Marketing, has optimized and managed for clients over the years. So we combine all of that data, provided custom instructions to this AI bot, and produce a pretty phenomenal AI assistant for local SEO. And I'm going to show you a quick demo, and I'm also giving away access to this specific local SEO bot to a few people. So if you are interested, send me a direct message and I will get back to you. So let's do it. So let's just say your company is ABC Roofing. Please produce a complete local SEO blueprint for my business. So you can see this is generating really high quality output. And this is actually the kind of things that we do for clients as well. So these are complete with examples. And if you want to get a little bit deeper, just ask further questions. I'm going to show you a follow-up question or prompt I would ask, and then you can play around with it on your own. So for example, after this is done generating the blueprint, you can ask for SOPs. Please generate a SOP for, so let's see, let's just say you want more detailed training on local citations and listings. Local citations and listings. And then it's going to actually generate an entire SOP for you. So if you have an internal team or someone in your company that can actually do the manual work for you, then you can go ahead and use this as the foundation to doing local SEO for your company internally, if that's something that you wish to do. And of course, if you want to hire an agency or a external team to help you expedite the process and alleviate the pressure of having to train your internal people, shoot me a message and I will see what I can do for you.